Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Rogers OEM here with me for a review. But first of all, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying my content. And let's check it out. We're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this guy. But first of all, let's see how small this guy is, because this is a small one. This is 6.5 inch long overall, with a 3.3 inch long blade with, I would say, 2.7 inch long cutting edge and 3.7 inch long handle. So not a big boy. Let's check it out up against some of the usual suspects here. Ontario Rat number 2 over here, it's bigger than that. And this is the Ontario Rat number 1, of course. Look at that, dwarfed even by the Ontario Rat number 2. That's the Spyderco Para 3, which is pretty big compared to that. And look at the Spyderco Para Militari too. Wow, that's a substantial difference going on for sure. And another small boy. This is the Chris Reeve Knives, small Sebenza 21. And of course, you've got the large Sebenza 21, also Chris Reeve Knives. And I mean, it's smaller than a small Sebenza 21. Of course, it's going to be smaller than a Shirogorov Neon Zero. And of course, bigger brother right over here in the house. One of my favorite blades, Shirogorov F95 R Slim. Also, if you check it up against the TRM Neutron, you're going to notice that, guess what? Yeah. It's smaller than that and smaller than the bigger brother, the Atom. Really interesting. It's almost the same thickness. Look at that. Very nice and slim design over here. What else can I show you guys? This guy over here, interesting. This is the Matte Diskin IDF Integral titanium frame lock. And let me see some couple small boys. We've got the CVV McKenna in a black Damascus over here, and I'm gonna show you some other of the big boys that are in the house. Yeah, milled patterns, sign me up, as well as this guy over here, Spectre, Hold Blade Works, V4, beautiful milling, a little bit more subtle, but you get the idea. This guy is not a big boy in any ways. We've also got something truly amazing here in Cozy, large in Cozy PDW, right over there. What else can I show you? Some couple of classic Rick Hinderer knives, XM18, 3.5 inch long, and I'm gonna show you some big boys. Assassin Argo front flipper, look at that. That is a beast. And another really cool one, just because it's here. This is the Shirogorov Custom Division F95 White Tiger. What else you guys want to see? I can show you this one because I truly appreciate this guy. Custom Knife Factory, Philippe Georget Design 520. And also this guy, because I don't show it enough. This is Koenig Knives Arius, Style 55. And of course, Peter Assenti, large Nirvana 3.0 in a full dress. And just to finish with a big boy, another Custom Knife Factory, and of course Peter Assenti Design Snafu 2.0 in the house. So let's check out this little guy, because it's very interesting. This is made by Bestech. It's gonna be around $250, but good luck finding one for that price. They're pretty hard to come by at that price, especially. This is a titanium liner lock, beautifully milled titanium blurple scales. Nice lines, super clean. I really love the look, the blade, the shape, the lines, the balance. It's beautifully done, guys. I appreciate this a lot. And it is very slim, very light, very fidgety. It's super smooth. It's a great one. You've got some nice liners, stainless steel liners going on the inside. You've got nice. Look at this. Would you look at these lines? I mean, the milling is spot on. Nice chamfering. Internal chamfering, sorry. You've got some pretty sick skeletonization going on. Look at that. In both sides. Liner is only on this side over here. Absolutely gorgeous look. Titanium backspacer with integrated, not integrated, but I mean the design creates like this loop, this hole for your lanyard, which is super cool. You have of course, like it's a stainless steel liner, so there's no need for any lock face insert. You've got basically like this is going to act as a lock bar stabilizer, of course, and you have some very, very smooth action, guys. Look at this. It's so cool. Screws are just like, I think this is a T8. And you can check out my disassembly video to see the guts of this guy, and it's super straightforward to disassemble. I mean, you just disassemble, like unscrew these and you're done basically. Just a little bit of lube and you're gonna achieve this level of smoothness. Super cool. Titanium pocket clip, nicely designed, raised with two different let's say standoffs. Nice clip ramp, nice tension, beautifully designed. It's a little bit on the tall side over here, but it's fine. If you have thick pants, this is gonna fit 100%. Of course, it's tip up carry only. It's not reversible. It's just gonna stay there. This is a very, very cool blade shape. I'm a fan of the Wharncliffe. No jimping, pure clean lines. Just a very long swedge which meets the primary bevel on this one, maybe 30% of belly, straight edge up to the sharpening choil. Look at the detail going on in this kind of fuller over here. Look at these lines. I mean, guys, it's so good. Clean look on the presentation side. Very, very thin stock, super slicely, very thin behind the edge. On this lock side, you just got Rogers Design, which is like not obtrusive in any way. M390 still employed right there. Beautiful. It's super clean. Really, really nice. Nice plunge grind. It's beautiful. Like, I really love this blade shape. I don't know why. I am digging it. The sound of this guy, while it opens, it's like that. And when you close it, it's like this. So very subtle. It's not percussive. It's almost not inaudible, but it's muffled, very listenable. Almost the same noise when you open and when you close. It's very mellow and pleasant. So I'm a fan of this guy. It's not gonna scare anyone. You can just open this guy in front of people and they're not gonna be intimidated in any way. This is a super light one. It's gonna be weighing in around 2 ounces in your pocket. There's no hot spots, no sharp edges. There's no jimping going on. I wouldn't really do reverse grip because look at this. I'm just missing like a chunk of handle. But it feels absolutely solid in the hand, even if it's light and thin and small. The texture in the handle, these milling lines are gonna give a pretty cool grip to it. I don't see any fit and finish issues, no gaps, no rattling, nothing, no blade play, up and down, vertical, horizontal. Clip ramp is good, the clip retention is good, nicely designed. I like the look. Deployment speed. You basically got like two-hand opening. You can do, of course, like a spidey flick like that, or you can do just like you know, your classic thumb flick like this. It's gonna be up to you, but it's fidgety. I'm telling you. Zero finger sore, of course. You can just deploy it reliably. It's super smooth. This guy is running on, actually now on skiff bearings, but comes with just bearings. The detent strength, I would say it's on the medium light side. No way you're gonna be able to touch the tip of the blade when closed. Very, very actually something interesting is this lock release, because you see that it's basically flush, but it's designed in a way, there's a little bit of cutout here, but it's designed in a way so there's some jimping going on over here, and it's gonna be super easy to catch this. I was afraid at the beginning, but No, look at that. It's very straightforward to disengage the lock bar. No lock stick, no detent ball ramp. You're gonna have a little bit of a hard step, but guys, you have a free fall action. And guillotine, like this is a smooth guillotine effect. Look at this. As soon as you overcome the detent ball missing ramp, you're gonna have this kind of action. Look at that. How cool is this? It's really, really cool, guys. I'm digging it. It's beautiful. Great lines, great color, great everything. Sound is very muffled, very unobtrusive. The grip, there's no hot spot. It's just a little bit small for me because I have huge hands, but it is a very, very nicely designed knife. Too bad that it's so hard to get right now, but if you can try it out, I'm sure you're gonna be pleasantly satisfied. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.